I know your appointment got canceled, salons got closed, press-ons are sold out, but it's okay. You can get a manicure in just a few minutes. Take a minute to read my supplies list. This method isn't something new, but it is nice to know that you could still get great results by doing the bare minimum. In the next clip, I used acetone to remove any oils from the nails, and I do not buff the nail beds because I think that is unhealthy for your nails. These are also items I already owned, but I do recall buying the nails from eBay for about $6. Next step is to find the correct sizes for each nail, add your nail glue, and then apply the nails. I then filed the tips to remove the nubs. I said nubs. Yeah. Then I filed the base of the nails so the nail polish adheres better. I already had a spray bottle with alcohol to help wipe away the dust, but you can just use a damp cloth. I was just being extra. Once all the nails are dry, I applied my nail polish, waited for about 15 minutes, then applied my top coat, which is the clear coat. And I'll say without a break, this process took about 30 minutes. Now that I think of it, this color screams summer. Yeah, I'm feeling summer vibes. But I'd like to say thank you, Nelda, for being my hand model, and I think I'd like to try acrylics or a dip powder next. So if you would like to see that video, then you can vote right here. I'd also like to say thank you so much for supporting my channel, and with that being said, see you in my next video.